na naman si Lolo. Tinanggalan na naman ako ng ano, ng angels. Ng mumu. Tinanggalan na naman ako ni Lolo ng mumu. Ray, going to your channel, Ray. +1 for you tonight. Okay, we'll go to your video here. Maglakay at mamasyal dito sa tabing dagat. With the harang, ha. Brudix, Miss Leslie, Alicia K, and Ray Layakan already in your channels. I'm waiting until the videos be done. Okay? I think Leslie only has the shorter one. Thank you, CK. Ang kati ng aking lalamunan. Hindi pa ako na masyadong nanggubaling nung ano. Nagsimula pa ito nung bagyong Christine. Hanggang ilang bagyo na ang dumaan, ito pa rin yung aking lalamunan, guys. Ang kati-kati. So, harang pa ako sa iyo, Aling CK. Harang pa to, 1 of 2. So, oo nga eh. Kahit naman warm water, talagang ano eh. Si Miss Leslie lang ang maano nito. So, thank you sa inyong lahat. Gaano na lang ako, nagpalaban na tayo ng Vicks Vapor Rub. Wala akong salabat ngayon. Ubus-ubus yung aking ubus yung aking laman ng ref. Bortwin, thank you so much. Okay, Miss Leslie, this is L36. Aksha, thank you so much. My happy family. My happy family. So, Miss Leslie Dan, thank you so much. Relayakan, this is ads. And of course, Aksha, going to your channel, Aksha. Going to your channel now, Aksha. Thank you so much. Okay, Brodix, this is L35. Thank you so much. 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. Let me retouch on. So how do I look?